Hi, everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to share a special dessert cream cheese pudding recipe. It's very tasty and easy to make. Pudding mixture preparation. Eggs for medium. Beat until combined. Done. Sweetened condensed milk, a half cup. Mix. Unsweetened condensed milk, 1 can. Mix. Cream cheese, 400 gram. Beat with fork. Add cream cheese with egg and milk mixture. Whisk until combined. Caramel preparation. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Water, 2 teaspoons. Wait until sugar caramelized. Perfect. Caramel transfer to the pudding mold. Wait until caramel sets. Add cream cheese, milk and egg mixture. Steam 45 minutes on low heat. Done. Put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, demold the pudding. Very nice. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.